What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm at the Hendersonville Area Chamber of Commerce, getting ready for next week's speaking gig here. We're doing a talk on the 3 marketing mistakes that kill your holiday sales, all right, and how to fix them. So, here's the thing. I go over to the book, all right, and I got my coffee cups ready to go. Coffee and conversations. So we're going to be talking about, if you're in the retail business, all right, your holiday sales can account for up to 40% of your total annual sales. Okay, so that should illustrate how important it is to really take this seriously and make an effort to get efficiency. All right, get every last sale going this year. Okay, you may not have been doing this for the past 30 days, 45 days. You may not have been doing this for the past 3 months, okay? But it's okay. You can still save some sales here and still really maximize your efficiency even through the end of the holidays, okay? Even through New Year's. And then get ready for next year. So this is what we're going to talk about. Check it out next week, December 17th. It's going to be Thursday, December 17th, 8 a.m. via Zoom. If you can't find the link under this video, if you're looking on YouTube or anywhere else on Facebook, somebody shared it, go to hendersonvillechamber.com/events. Sign up there, register. You'll get a link in your email. And you'll check out all their other great coffee and conversations events. There are a lot of great speakers every week. So, just check it out and excited. Talk to you soon.